So when you click on home, you get access to your spring Math 1D introductory statistics. Well, on the very first page, you have access to some links. One of them is modules. The second one is office hours Zoom. Then you have access to syllabus, lecture notes, supplemental videos, and also calculator link. So here's a picture. It's me, my phone number. Guys, our office hours based on the pre-course survey is Tuesday and Thursday, 4 to 6 p.m. If this time doesn't work for you, you can always text me or send an email to me. You can schedule any other time that fits into your schedule. Very well. So let's go to modules. What we can find here in modules? We have week 0, getting started. Let's click on that. Week 0 overview. What are you going to learn? Just information about Canvas. And what are you going to do? You're going to click on next and actually browse a little bit. So on the next page, you can find information about me, my email address, our office hours. On the next page, we have our syllabus. Well, let's go over the important topics in our syllabus. Let me download this. It's easier to manage that way. So let me open the file. Let me share the file with you. Information about me, about our office hours. We already went through that. So in this class, we're going to cover materials from 2 textbooks. One of them is free online, and the other one is from Larson. Guys, you don't have to purchase this book. I post all lecture notes on Canvas for you. You have access to PDF files. You can just save that on your computer, or if you want to print them out, feel free to do that. We definitely need a calculator. There is a TI-84 online emulator, which is free for 3 months. When we go through the calculator part, I show you how to use it. As you know, this course is synchronous. So I expect everyone to be participating online during our Zoom lectures, during our meetings. We're going to have group activities. So I expect everyone to be online during the class time. All lectures will be recorded and they will be posted on YouTube. I'm going to share them on Canvas videos. So if you want to rewatch them, you have those videos on Canvas as well. So course description, as you know, this is a statistic class, and we're going to go over a lot of techniques, analyzing data, and see the applications in real life. If you have any question, you can always send an email to me. You have my phone number. You have access to Piazza. We're going to go over Piazza as well. You can post your questions there. I myself respond to your posts, and other students respond to your posts, and they receive extra credit. We're going to post everything on Canvas, the lecture notes, the homework, all the discussions, our projects, our exams. So everything is due on Sunday except for the exams. We're going to have our exams during the class time. So reading and writing, it's very important to write the questions, to write the step-by-step solutions, and see all the steps in statistics. In statistics, if you know the steps, where to begin, what techniques to use, then the rest is easy. So the most important part is to see what the big picture is. So I expect you all to spend time, read the questions carefully, identify the keywords, and then try to analyze the question. Very well. So we talked about participation in our online class. Includes joining the Zoom, asking questions, answering questions, posting your homework questions on Piazza, working with your group mates. You're going to have group activities. You're going to have group quizzes. You're going to have projects. So these are all participation in an online class. Well, in class group activities. So in this class, this is statistics. It's very important to be able to apply what you learned into questions, different scenarios, different discussions. So during our group work, I'm going to post Google Docs on Canvas, and then you're going to go to breakout rooms, work with your group mates on those Google Docs. This is the process for our group activities. We're going to have discussions in this class. The discussions, some of them are related to statistics, some others are related how to study better, how to reduce stress, how to feel more comfortable when it comes to exams, and so on. So, as I mentioned before, these activities are due on Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Homework. I'll be posting PDF files of homework on Canvas. Your job is to write down those questions on a piece of paper, write down step-by-step solutions, then you can scan your file and post them on Canvas. Homework guidelines, please write neat, in order, so it's easier for me to grade your homework. Very well, group quizzes. So in this class, we're going to have 4 group quizzes. Each one has 25 points. After you're done with the group quizzes, you can post your questions on Piazza, discuss it with other groups, or if you need more clarification, you can post the questions there. We're going to have projects in this class, definitely projects, because this is a statistics class. You're going to see real projects, real life projects related to the techniques and concepts that you're learning to everyday life scenarios and projects. Very well. So in each class, we have exams, of course. We're going to have midterms in this class. Before each midterm, I give you exam review questions. You need to solve each exam review questions and you need to upload them on Canvas. Each exam review has 10 points. So you're going to solve each exam review, post them on Canvas before the actual exam, not after that. Each exam review has 10 points. The purpose is to prepare you for your midterms. So definitely we're going to have a final exam. The final exam will cover all materials that we're going to learn in this class. Very well. So grading policy, we're going to have homework, we're going to have group activities, discussions and presentations, we have group quizzes, we have projects, 3 midterms, along with 3 midterm review, 1 final, and the total. You can find the percentage or the points for each of these categories on the right-hand side. Perfect. So what's next? Very well. So as you can see, the percentage and the letter grade for this class can be found on the syllabus. By clicking on the link here, you get access to important dates and deadlines. So I posted the link for you to get access to all of your classes' finals. We have tutoring services. Take advantage of 2 tutoring centers that are free and they are all available for you. And by weekly participation in tutoring center, you're going to receive extra credit. Again, we're going to go over that. And what is important to be successful in this class, please be in contact with me, join Zoom, write down the definitions, the examples, practice as much as you can. If you have any question, come to office hours, post your questions on Piazza, send an email to me. You all have my phone number. You can always text me. And this is our tentative schedule. You can see quizzes, exams, and finally, the time our final is on week 12, June 21st, 1:45 to 3:45. Very well, it was our syllabus. We went over the main and important topics on our syllabus. There is a short video for you, how to use Canvas. Technology support. Of course, sometimes they have issue with maintenance on Canvas. If you have any question about that, feel free to send an email to me. If I know how to resolve it, I'll do that myself. Otherwise, I direct you to the people who can actually help you. Student support, we have tutoring center, free, with professionals and amazing tutors who can help you to be successful in your course. And as I mentioned before, you're going to receive extra credit for going to tutoring center every week. Being successful in this course, please read the syllabus. Please spend enough time to review the materials, learn the definitions, the techniques, and use the online resources available to you to be successful in an online class. Textbook and additional resources, as I mentioned, we have 2 textbooks. They are not required. I'll be posting all the lecture notes and the homework questions on Canvas for you. There are some short videos for you, how to scan your handwritten work to Canvas. Netiquette guidelines. I know all of you are professionals. Be positive, be friendly, use proper language, use effective communication. If you have any question, feel free to ask your question. You can post it on Piazza anonymously, or you can send an email to me. You can text me. Be professional and ask for clarification. Don't forget to update your Canvas profile. Participation and attendance. Again, I expect everyone to be online during our live lectures. Be in contact with me, be in contact with your group mates, be in contact with your tutors in this class. Okay, we talked about grading. Very well. So this is your very first assignment in this class, introduction. Please respond to these questions and record and post a short video on Canvas. So as you know, this is an online class. This is not a face-to-face class. So it's impossible for us to introduce ourselves face-to-face to other classmates. I'd like you to record a short video introducing yourselves to the class and respond to at least two classmates. This way, you can actually know your classmates and then form a group. Thank you. Thank you for those of you who already participated. Awesome. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. So after you answer to these questions and post the short video, if you don't feel comfortable posting a video on Canvas, that's absolutely fine. Guys, it's not required. It's not mandatory. If you don't feel like recording something and posting that here, that's fine. I have students who posted a picture of their pet or their hobby. That's absolutely fine as well. So don't feel obligated or required to post a video. It's just helpful to introduce yourself to your class. Awesome, perfect. And then next page. So this is where you actually form a group. After reading the introduction and responding to two of your classmates, you're going to form a group with them. You can just post a request. Hey, would you like to join or form a group with each other? And I expect each group has at most 5 students in it. You're going to take on different roles in your group. When we are working on our group activities, there is a sample group activity posted for you here to see what are the expectations. So you're going to assume different responsibilities. So when I post the question on the Google Doc, each one of you are going to work on the question and then discuss the question, talk about different methods, how to solve the question, and actually post the answer on the Google Doc. So let's see, I have group 1, I have group 2, and these are just the number assigned to groups. You can form a group and write down your name under the preferred group. Okay, very well. Extra credits. So extra credits, weekly tutoring center participation. So as I mentioned, we have amazing tutors. By participating in weekly tutoring sessions, going to tutoring sessions and work with tutors, at the end of the quarter, you're going to receive 10 points extra credit. That 10 points extra credit will be added to your exam grades, or if you have missing submission somewhere, you're going to compensate for those missing or low grades. You're going to click on De Anza Student Success Center. You're going to be in contact with Helen. She's going to record your attendance. And at the end of the quarter, she's going to send those recordings and confirmation to me. So our next extra credit is actually Piazza. So weekly participation in Piazza by asking 2 questions and answering to 2 questions, you'll receive 10 points extra credit. Will be added to your exams or quizzes or missing assignments grades. So I already added your emails to Piazza. So let me open Piazza, show you how it works. So this is my Math 10 class. So this is our Piazza. I already posted our syllabus in Piazza. So I'm going to share one of my classes with you, my last quarter. Let's go to, for example, Math 22, last quarter. And these are the posts on the left-hand side. You can see the posts that students all created. They posted their questions and other students, myself, responded to those questions. And then by participating in Piazza, you're going to receive 10 points extra credit at the end of the quarter. Very well. So let us take a look at our calculator instruction. Calculator TI series, getting started. There is a link for you that directs you to an online emulator, TI-84 Plus. It's free for 3 months. You need to click on the link, agree and proceed. Then you can click on free TI-84 Plus emulator, get started. Even though it says for teachers, you can use it as a student as well. So get started. You need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and the information, the required information, and then submit. After you submit the information, it directs you to the page that you can actually download this calculator on your computer. You can find PDF file of calculator detailed instruction on Canvas as well. Okay, let us go to week 1. Week 1 overview, chapter 1 note, chapter 2, 2.1, 2.2 note, lecture video for chapter 1, lecture video on chapter 2, recommended videos for chapter 1, and the assignments that they're going to have in this class. Homework 1, homework 1 detailed solution, growth mindset, which is a discussion. They have week 1 wrap up and week 1 survey.